Hey Todd, so the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of build a video that shows you how to install the Gemini app in any instance and then install it in classes. There's two steps you have to do. Number one, you have to activate it for the instance, which right now I'm in the beta instance, but you can decide if you want to do it in the real canvas. And then number two, individually it has to be installed in the classes to get the shortcut to come up in navigation. So first thing you want to do is go to the desktop. We're going to go to the admin. So we click on admin and that takes us here, and we're going to look under developer keys. So we click on the developer keys shortcut. Once that opens, we're going to click on inherited. And when we do, we'll see that Google Gemini is here and it's currently activated. For the regular instance, it won't be. This will be whited out like the rest of these are. So what you need to do is click on the state and turn it to on. It will ask you, do you want to do that? You'll tell it okay. At that point, you also need to copy the ID. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, and then we're going to go and install it into a class. So let's go ahead and let's say I wanted to install this in my instructional sandbox course. So I'm going to click on that. In the class, I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go to apps, and I'm going to view app configuration. I'm going to add an app, and I'm going to set this by client ID. That's what we recorded a while ago. I'm going to paste that in and hit submit, and it should recognize it. It does. Google Gemini was found with that ID. Would you like to install it? Yes. And at that point, you may have to hit refresh on the page, but at that point you should find that your navigation changes a little bit, and now here in the navigation is the Google Gemini shortcut. So if you click on that, then you have the home page for the Google Gemini app. You can start chats, you can use it as an AI chatbot. There are a lot of different things that you can learn to do with it here, and if you'll click on that, it takes you to an external site. And then these are some different tools that work with Gemini, and so if you want to use those, you can do that, and then there's a feedback button. But that is how you would install Gemini into a specific Canvas class. You have to activate it first for the instance, whether it's test or beta or whether it's the regular instance, and then individual classes have to activate it. So if you want me to, let me know and I'll go ahead and activate it for the general instance, and then at that point then we can decide how we want to roll out installation procedures. We want to do a test first, or we want to just make it available and send out the video to train people how to do it. Whichever way you want to do that, let me know and I'll get started.